screen everyone, so let's see how we're going to create the connection between Housing.com and HubSpot CRM. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free, and then you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Come inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder, and let's create this automation together. So now this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Housing.com and select it. For the event, we have to select new leads and click on this connect. Over here is the webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your Housing.com account. So over here, if you want to add this webhook URL in your account, you have to reach out to your account manager from Housing.com and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Because Housing.com portal doesn't provide the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team or your point of contact of Housing.com and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Once they activate the subscription, leads will start coming to the campaign selected by you, and automatically it will start capturing the webhook response, which is the details of the lead. Whenever now you're going to receive a new lead from Housing.com, this workflow is going to get triggered and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. I have already added this webhook URL in my Housing.com account, so let's capture the lead details over here. And now you can see 2 seconds ago we have successfully captured this webhook response, and you're going to see all the details of my lead. Now I'm going to add these details in my HubSpot CRM. So to do this, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for HubSpot CRM and select it. For the event, we have to select create a contact and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with HubSpot CRM. And now I'll suggest you that log in all your applications before starting with the automation, because I have done the same. If you don't log in first, HubSpot or you can say Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your HubSpot account, and then only going to get this option to choose the account. So I'll suggest log in your applications before starting with the automation. So as you can see that I've already logged in my HubSpot account, so it is directly asking me to choose the account. So let's choose the account, and once we're going to choose the account, automatically our HubSpot CRM will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after connecting our HubSpot CRM, it is asking me for many details, but we are only going to fill in the details which are required or the details which I want to add in my CRM. So I want to add this city, so I'm going to fill in this city, but we are not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one I'm going to map the details, but we are only going to map the details which are required or the details which we wish to fill in, because it is asking me for n number of details. So as you can see, I've filled in the first name, last name, email and the city, and these are the details which I wish to fill in. Let's say you can't find some detail over here, so what you can do is you can do Control F, search for the detail. Like for the phone number, I'm going to search for the phone number, and you can map the phone number by searching it like this, and then you can map it simply. It is very easy. Now after entering the details which you wish to fill in, simply click on this save and send test request, and once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in our HubSpot CRM. So let's open our HubSpot CRM, and you're going to see the new contact has been added. You're going to see the name, the email and the phone number. The details are exactly the same which we received during the test submission right over here as our webhook response. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Housing.com, within seconds and in real time, it will be sent towards my HubSpot CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment clicked on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and you can also create this amazing for your own real estate business. So see you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, try this amazing automation. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.